Hey everyone, it's Heather again. I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you guys to use while you're doing crochet. This video is gonna focus on back loop only and a few different things you can do to help your work. The first thing is are you struggling to put your hook into your back loops only? You can definitely try to, instead of stab your work, you want to do a scooping motion, and let me show you how. Here you can see that I'm doing a stabbing motion into the back loop. What you want to do is more of a scooping motion into your work to grab the back loop easier. You'll see that more throughout the video as I'm showing you the tips. The next issue I still continue to see is people skipping that back loop of their work. Let's take a look at it again. Right here you can see the turning chain from the previous row. And this is the last stitch in the row. Since we're doing back loop only, we're just going to place our hook into the back loop and complete the stitch. This is back loop hack number 2. If you want a stretchy look, you can use something called back loop only to do a ribbing effect. This will allow your work to be slightly more stretchy. You can use this slip stitch to create things like blankets, sweaters, scarves, and even more. Take a look at how to do it. Here you can see that I'm going into the back loop, and then I'm going to perform a slip stitch. You're going to continue doing this across the row. Let's watch a few more stitches together. Here's the work in the back loop only doing slip stitches a little further along the row. This is what the work looks like when it starts to get that ribbed effect. You can see it right here. You can see the ribbed effect here a lot better in these 2 rows. Don't forget to pull up your loops if you're wondering why your work is too tight. You need to keep pulling up your loops so that you create that space to do your yarn over and pull through and create what I like to say is like a fluffier look to your work instead of like a dense square or something along those lines. Right here is where you can see I pull up my loops and then pull my hook through. You need to make sure that when you're going into your stitch, you're pulling your hook through and giving yourself that space like right here to pull your hook through both loops. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on these back loop hacks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow because it definitely helps me grow my audience and get new information to you. Take care, and I'll talk to you again soon.